Hello, students. It's wonderful to have you here today. We are looking at WAEC Mathematics 2026, question 19. As you prepare for your upcoming exams, remember that QandAHelp is your best resource for mastering WAEC, JAMB, and NECO subjects with complete confidence. Let's start with what we know. The diagram shows points Q, R, and S on a circle with center O. The problem specifically identifies angle QRS as being 62 degrees. We are looking for angle SQR. That's the angle located right here at point Q. Solving this is about more than just picking a number from the options. We need to look for the specific geometric properties that link these lines together. Notice line QR. Because it passes directly through the center point O, it meets the mathematical definition of a diameter. You can think of it like a straight road crossing through the exact middle of a roundabout. This circle theorem is vital. Any angle on a circle's edge standing on a diameter is exactly 90 degrees. Following the lines from diameter QR to point S, angle QSR must be exactly 90 degrees. Defining that 90-degree angle changes the entire calculation. It allows us to focus entirely on the triangle inside the circle to find our answer. Looking at triangle QSR, the three interior angles must add up to 180 degrees. Substituting our values, our unknown angle, plus the given 62 degrees, and the 90 degrees we found. Combined, they take up 152 degrees. Since the total must be 180, we just need to find what's left. Pause the video here and try the final subtraction yourself. Welcome back. 180 minus 152 gives us 28. So our missing angle SQR is 28 degrees. Looking at the options, we see 28 degrees is option A. Be careful with option C. 90 degrees is the angle at S, not the angle at Q. WAEC often includes these types of traps to see if you are paying close attention to which angle is being asked for. Success in geometry comes from chaining these rules together, using the circle theorem first to unlock the triangle math. Here is a quick tip for exam day. Whenever you see a line passing through the center of a circle, immediately check if it forms a triangle with a 90-degree angle on the circle's edge. Let's test your recognition. Quiz 1. If AB is a diameter and C sits on the circumference, what is angle ACB? Because it stands on a diameter, it is 90 degrees. Quiz 2. In triangle ABC, angle B is 50 degrees, and angle C is 90 degrees. What is angle A? 180 minus 140 leaves us with 40 degrees. Quiz 3. Diameter XY means angle Z is 90 degrees. If angle YXC is 35, what is angle XYZ? Subtracting both from 180 gives us 55 degrees. Passing these quizzes shows you can handle the logic behind the theorem, no matter how the specific numbers change on exam day. You've done great work today. For more in-depth explanations across all your subjects, visit QandAHelp.com and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Keep practicing step by step. It is the most reliable way to walk into your exams with total peace of mind. I'll see you in the next lesson.